you gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook or prepare sukuma wiki or kales. So the first step, guys, you have to fry your onions till they turn golden brown, or till they almost turn golden brown. Vikaribia kuturn golden brown, or you can leave them till they turn. And then the next step, you're going to add your tomatoes. Venye mnaona, I forgot to record the onions part, so make sure you cook your tomatoes hadi ziive vizuri. As you can see that. And then after zimeiva, it's now when we are going to add our sukuma wiki.
You're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love.
So make sure you mix it well with the onions and the tomatoes. Then after that, you're going to add salt to taste. So I've already put my salt. And then you're going to cover it to let it cook for 2 to 5 minutes or 10 until you feel you're satisfied. So 5 minutes later, and our sukuma wiki is ready to serve. Make sure it don't overcook. If you overcook, it needs to remain green. Ibaki green too. Don't overcook it. Yeah, so it's ready to serve ikiwa hivi. It's that easy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed or if you learned something, kindly make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, like and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.